Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to cover a SendFox, another deal I found on AppSumo. So what the SendFox is what you can do with this software is you can schedule and automate your email growth with this affordable email marketing tool. Okay. There's also some AI features associated with this particular one. That's why I decided to cover in this video, so you might be interested in. Okay, so there we go. So setting up your email marketing shouldn't drain your budget for the rest of your year. Blah blah blah. It's also all very good. It's all the same story every time you read it through. But the thing is that this particular one comes with once of a lifetime deal, and that might be something which might interest you guys because, as you know, if you had a previous email marketing experience or you already do some email marketing, you know that those type of deals are costing you money on a monthly basis. Okay, here you got a one time of payment, and then you can just over and over using the same features. And this will be those all those features will be rolling out on a monthly basis for you. Okay, so for example, let's go for the deal term and conditions. Okay, and the features. So unlimited email sent. Okay, so you can send even you purchase the license one, you will have the unlimited. Okay, unlimited email being sent. Schedule email campaigns at any time of the day. Unlimited triggered automations with unlimited emails per automation. Custom landing pages, custom forms, including GDPRs. Okay, very important for European users. A list of targeting tagging to keep your contract separated. WISI email editor to make writing emails easily, advanced analytics to track opens, clicks, and more. Okay, CRM functionality integration with sumo.com, Kingdom, Zapier. Okay, Zapier is very important one here. You got integration with this one. RSS feed, auto poll, manage unlimited brands for one account, a translation ability. Okay, so for tier one, you're gonna get yourselves all the features which they have been outlined here. Okay, very important. You don't have to pay more for all these features which been unloaded here, outlined here. Okay, now you got a 5,000 contacts. Okay, including license tier one and SendFox branding. Okay, so for tier one, you're gonna get yourselves 5,000 up to 5,000 contacts, which I believe it's a fair amount of the contacts, especially if you're on the beginning level or even in the mid level. Okay, so up to 5,000, you don't have to pay more than $49. You're gonna see that this if as SendFox branding will be associated with which email which if with each email you'll be sending, most likely will be somewhere on the bottom of the email, but that's fine. Any of those type of platforms, they all usually do that, like a MailChimp, get response, any others, that you have a small branding down there. Okay, so that's fine. I wouldn't mind this one. Okay, so for license two, however, you will pay for 98. Okay, and you will double the amount of contacts. Okay, you got a tier fives. Okay, so here you got up to 25,000 contacts you can manage for $235 once off payment. Okay, very important that doesn't require you that you need to pay everything at the same time. So for example, um uh, for example, you feel like, okay, that's up to 5,000. I can manage my list with, I don't know, particular niche, okay? And that niche will be fine up to 5,000. You can purchase this 49 dollars package, and that's all what you will be getting, okay? So let's say that you have $49, and that's fine, okay? Then if you want to go ahead and choose another niche, okay, you can, let's say the bigger niche, and you have already some sort of, a list associated with it. Okay, you can go and choose, let's say, 25,000 contacts. Okay, for tier five. Okay, very important here is that you don't have to pay on a monthly basis, which we know they can all add up. Okay, if you do this on the already. Okay, so let's go and quickly jump into the into the platform itself. Okay, simply and easy. You just log in with your email address. Okay, you go to sendfox.com. Okay, that's very pretty straightforward. You got a pretty straightforward dashboard, emails, automations, audience growth, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's say that you want to go and do some audience. Okay, you can go ahead, put your landing page, sign up here. Okay, and if you have anything here to be uploaded, you can also go ahead and do that. All right, so automation, there you go. You don't have any active automations at the moment, that's fine, but if you have any automations, you can go ahead and do some sort of campaign and schedule it for next month or even the next half a year if you want to do so. Okay, and there are also, you can go ahead and do them some forums, referral campaigns, and create and anything else. All right, so you can do some view branding, you can change the colors. Okay, you can add the prices if you want to do so. Okay, also available for you is a pricing if you want to go direct with them. All right, but it's as I said, like $49 AppSumo deal is also saying here that they have a lifetime deal of $49. Okay, so that's very simple. And you also have a um, uh, 5,000 contacts. All right, so I think, guys, that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. I'll be leaving the link below to the AppSumo deal, and if you have any questions, please leave it down below. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.